Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app loop problem. So in this video, we're going to have multiple of methods. So first, we're going to try this one. So go to your settings and then go to the general, tap on iPhone storage. And then from here, we're going to scroll up and then tap on the search box and then just search for the Authenticator. So this one, so what we're going to do is we're just going to tap on offload application. So this will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is available for download. So we're just going to tap on offload application, tap on it again. And then as you can see, it says here to reinstall the application. So first we have to check if the internet is stable or the mobile data connection is stable. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try switching to a mobile data to see if it has like changes. So we're just going to check our internet. So there you go. And if you're confident enough that your internet is stable and strong, then you can go ahead and tap on this one to download it again. So if you're using an Android, you can clear cache the data. So what you're going to do is open your settings, tap on apps, then just go to Microsoft Authenticator. You can tap on the storage and cache and then select clear cache. So if the issue still persists, then select the clear data. You may need to refigure accounts on this one if you clear the data. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.